Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to talk about PolkaMarkets. This is actually going to be what now? My sixth small market cap crypto pick. My first one, as you guys know, was lossless. Did about, I think, 500% on that. Still holding it. Second pick was Block. That one's at around 300% as of now. Third pick was Haka. That one actually took a 20% win, but I actually took some out because I wanted to put that back into lossless because I actually really like lossless. So that one ended up being a super long term. My fourth pick was Boson Protocol. That one sits right now at about a 30% gain, so I'm still holding that one. I'm waiting for the full 100% to hit, and then obviously I cash 50% out. After Haka, I bought, what did I buy? Boson? Yeah, Boson Protocol. And then Boson, after Boson was Red Fox. That one already did 100%. And I think this one is going to be my sixth one. So PolkaMarkets is my sixth pick. I did buy back in at 150. So I bought back in like right there. I still think there's a lot of room to run. My TP right now is around $3 or so. I do think it's going to break that $2 mark and keep running. I mean, on the weekly, we have been bullish for the last, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, like months straight. And we broke downtrend barely last week on October 21st. So technically, I should have gotten in. I should have gotten into PolkaMarkets back at $1. If I did, I would have already seen a full 100% gain, right? From $1, $2, I would have already cashed out. So technically, I was a little late. I should have bought back in here as soon as the week ended, as soon as that trend broke on the downside, and you close that bullish week right here from October 31st on the switch over to November 1st, right? So I am about 50 cents late on this because I bought in at 150. I do still think it's gonna run to the high side. My take profit, I think, or at least my price target right now is $3 because I do want to do that full 100%. I might end up maybe cashing out at 264 if it hits. I'm trying to feel, I'm trying to gauge, what are the chances of it only going up to here. So if it does hit, $2.64, which is that, resistance that we'll see, I would take out a 75% profit. If I let it ride to $3, then obviously it's 100%. But I'm still trying to see what my TP is for safety reasons or just for precaution. I have my stop or my sell limit at $2.64 because it did break resistance, right? So we have resistance at 199. It actually hit $2.05. So I do think it's going to keep running to the high side. And I'm just trying to see now, am I going to take a 70% profit at 264 or am I going to wait for the $3? And I'll definitely make an updated video on that, but I'm still super bullish on this. You really only have 3 resistance points at 199, 264, and 348. But yeah, this is going to be my next small market cap crypto. I do see it hitting 264. Can it hit $3? That's what I'm trying to think about right now. I'm trying to see how high this thing can actually run in the next maybe week or two or possibly a little bit more. But as of right now, price target is 264. I think it would net me like a 70% gain. And then from there, I'll post another video to figure out if I'm gonna take my 50% profit there or my initial investment out there and let the rest ride, or if I'm gonna wait it out to $3. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.